when public health issues become politically charged, like wearing a mask or not becomes a political statement, you cannot imagine how destructive that is to any unified public health message. The other thing that we learned is that some of the things about the United States specifically that under different circumstances work well, namely the federalist approach, where you have 50 states and territories, each of which are given a degree of flexibility of doing things their own way. The federal government doesn't want to tell the states what to do. So we had a situation where the states were sort of left on their own. So we had a disparate, inconsistent response from one state to the other, which is antithetical to the fact that the virus is the same. It doesn't know the difference between New York and Pennsylvania, between Louisiana and Mississippi. It's all the same. Yet there was such a very, very strong differences the way different states handle it. So the lesson we learned there was we needed to have a good cooperation between the federal government and the individual locals, which we did not have.